Ever wonder why getting a credit card feels like pulling teeth sometimes? You've been responsible with your bills, haven't missed payments, yet applications keep getting rejected. Frustrating, right? Hold on, it might not be all your fault. There could be a hidden culprit lurking in the shadows of your financial life, your credit report. Now, you might think you have one credit report, one big picture of your financial health. But in the UK, things get a little more complex. There are actually three main credit reference agencies, CRAs: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each one collects information about your borrowing habits and creates a credit report for you. Here's the twist, these reports can be different. That means your squeaky clean Experian report might not be the whole story, and Equifax might be telling a slightly less rosy tale. This can lead to confusion, especially when your Equifax score comes back lower than your Experian score, leaving you wondering, why the discrepancy? Fear not, credit warriors. This video will crack the code of why your Equifax score might be lagging behind its Experian counterpart. We'll delve into the reasons behind the difference and equip you with the knowledge to tackle the situation. So, grab a metaphorical cup of financial tea and settle in, because we're about to spill some credit report secrets. Reason number 1, different scoring systems, different ball games. Think of your credit score as a final exam grade. It reflects your overall performance, but different teachers might use slightly different grading scales. It's the same with CRAs. While they all assess your creditworthiness, they might have unique scoring systems. For instance, Equifax uses a score out of 1,000, while Experian goes up to 999. Even with similar information, these scales can translate into slightly different scores. It's important to remember the specific ranges for each CRA to understand what your score truly means. Reason number 2, not all lenders report to all agencies. Imagine lenders whispering credit report gossip, but not to everyone. Some lenders only report your activity to 1 or 2 CRAs, not all 3. This means the information Equifax has on you might be incomplete compared to Experian, potentially impacting your score. Reason number 3, errors can creep in, it happens. Unfortunately, mistakes happen. Sometimes, inaccurate information might find its way onto your credit report. This could be anything from a missed payment that wasn't yours to an outdated address. If such errors are present on your Equifax report but not Experian's, it can definitely affect your score. Taming the discrepancy, what you can do. Okay, so now you know the reasons behind the score difference. But what can you do about it? Here are some actionable steps. Check your reports. You're entitled to a free credit report from each CRA every year. Utilize this right. Request your reports and meticulously comb through them for any errors. Dispute any mistakes. If you find something wrong, don't hesitate to file a dispute with the CRA. They are legally obligated to investigate and correct any inaccuracies. Build a well-rounded credit history. The best way to improve your score across the board is by building a strong credit history. Make timely payments on your bills, keep your credit utilization ratio low, amount of credit used compared to your limit, and consider using a credit card responsibly to show positive credit usage. Remember, it takes time to build a good credit score, so be patient and consistent with your efforts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.